All right, so here we want to find the unit vector. Okay, we want to find the unit vector that points in the same direction as this vector here, right? So v, which is negative 3i minus 2j. Okay. I guess we can sketch this guy out if we want to. Okay, so we'll sketch this guy. We'll just see what this vector looks like. So the horizontal component, right? The I value is negative 3, so we'll go 3 units. Here's the initial point, right? So we'll go 3 units to the left. We'll go 2 units down. Okay. So this is this vector, right? This is vector v. Okay. We go 3 units to the left. We go 2 units down. So that is a vector. Okay. Well, what's a unit vector? Well, the prefix uni means 1, right? So we want to find a vector that has a magnitude of 1 that points in the same direction. Okay. So how do we do that? Well, first of all, we need to first find the magnitude of the given vector. Okay, so we need to find the magnitude of v. Okay, and we're going to use this formula here, right? And so negative 3 squared plus negative 2 squared. As usual, keep track of your signs, right? Now remember, when you square these, they do become positive. So we get a 9 plus 4, which is radical 13. Okay. Now remember, that radical 13 represents the length from here to here, right? Okay. So the length of this vector, or the magnitude, is radical 13. Okay. Well, then how are we going to find the unit vector? Okay. So to find the unit vector, right, now we can sort of draw this out, right? But the unit vector would start here and have a magnitude of 1. Okay, I'm just eyeballing that there. Okay. So in order to do so, right, the unit vector is just going to be the vector itself, right, divided by its magnitude. Okay. And essentially what this does is it makes, when you do this, right, the Pythagorean theorem, we're going to get 1 once we do all the math. Okay, so the unit vector then is we take the negative 3i minus the 2j. Okay, right, remember, this is vector v, right? But we have to divide it by the magnitude. So each of these components, right, the horizontal and vertical components, should be divided by radical 13 in this case. And let's just clean it up a little bit. We'll rationalize, right? So negative 3 radical 13 over 13i minus 2 radical 13 over 13j. Okay? So this vector, okay, points in the same direction, okay, but has a magnitude of 1. Okay, so if you actually use the Pythagorean theorem on this guy, then we would get a magnitude equal to 1. So that is the unit vector that points in the same direction.